We have multiple videos. We need one. Let's make it happen. This is the tool I'm going to use. Let me show you how I got here. So goodbye to that. I'm going to go down here in Windows and click on Start. Once I do, I'm literally going to type the word video. And here's what I need, the video editor. Click. Once I do so, I can go ahead now and click on New Project. And I got to name it. So hello example. Hello. I'm very, very creative with names. I'm lying. I'm not. And here's our workspace. So I can go ahead and click Add and locate some videos on my computer this way, maybe under the videos folder, or I've already found my videos I need, and so I'm just going to go ahead and show off the drag and drop feature. Drag, drop, drag and drop. That's how that works. All right, and now I can decide the order. Oh, I want this one first. This one has to be second. Definitely third here. And you can explore some of these features such as adding text, so on and so forth. Lots of options. Now you're all done. We have a perfect video. I'm going to go ahead and hit finish video. However large the highest quality is what I will use. Hardware acceleration, let's not get in. I'm going to leave those defaulted and let's hit export. And depending on the size of the video, it will take longer. Pick where you save it and I just hit export. If you have a massive video file, this exporting process will take some time. And kapow, here's my videos all mashed together. I can go ahead and share this as needed. I can save as. I can open it in its original location. File info is where I would go to find where I saved it. I'm in the download bin. So, ready to rock. We have a video.